let's try Swahili.
Yes.
Again. If I ask this in Swahili, let's see what it does. Perfect.
Akili bandia kufurahisha watu, kupata ujuzi wa akili bandia, kusoma kwa kuongeza vyanzo vya akili bandia. It's actually correct, eh?
Yes, okay. So, are you getting excited? Because this is cool. I'm excited. Okay. So, we can support the Swahili language. And so we know definitely we'll be able to teach it in English. If they have a question and they want to type Swahili, they can. It will respond in Swahili. But the bottom line is it does understand Swahili as well as English. So we support all languages in the world, basically. So whether you're speaking English, Spanish, French, Swahili, it doesn't matter what your language is, we support it.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah.